How y'all are? How y'all is? I'm glad for y'all to see me. I guarantee it. Old buddy Justin Wilson. We got a final on this one right here. Second one for the cousin B's whirlybird root bill. Cousin B is BG, you know. Plus I got something else over here. We finished this up last night. I've been holing around doing a video, and I just think, I don't know anymore. I just don't feel like filming videos, but yeah, there it is, Brian. Cousin B. Let me find something. This glass right here. I use this stuff right here to mask them windows off. Micro scale and micro mask. It's pretty good stuff. Peels right off. But I brushed it on where I didn't want any paint, and then let it dry, and then shot my paint on there. Let that dry, and then peeled that stuff right off. But them windows don't fit right. This is one whole piece here, this side here. Put that on first, and then you come right here, and that's two pieces here. And you make it closed, and you got a pretty big gap right up, right up through here, right through there. So I left them open, glued them to the top of this other piece here. So, and I got the guys in there. I ain't that good at figure painting, but they be alright. You ain't gonna see them much no way. So this thing, they went together pretty good, I guess. That blaze turn, well, the big main one comes off of there. I just got it stuck in there, and tail rotor, it turns too. Of course, it's kind of snug, but got all the little decals on there, here and there, reflector or lights, I guess, and then some on the little missile tube thing there, and then I guess them bigger missiles. I don't know what they mean, rockets, I guess, or something. But they got U.S. Army on them. Supposed to have a U.S. Army on. There's four in each rack here. Each of them racks, and each one of those is supposed to have the U.S. Army. Well, I just put one on the outside one. And on this ain't supposed to have any, but I put one on there because they gave me a whole bunch of them. There's your radar and all that kind of shit. There's the big, what's that, 20 millimeter, 30 or 20. 30. It's a machine gun. It's really the way it kind of works more like a chain gun, but it's a machine gun. That's what they call it. U.S. Army here on each side. And then these stripes on each side of each engine. And tail number on each side here. There ain't no whole lot of decal. Wow, that's setting crooked. Huh? I just noticed that. One of them damn. That's what it is. One of them landing gears. This side is kind of a little lower. Must have fell down when it was dry. Oh well. That's about it. Probably could have used another coat of that drab on that glass, but oh well. I think I just put one good coat on them. That's all. Yeah, sitting kind of side goggle. Oh well. Gonna be hung up anyway, so that's a big old main rotor there. You see how wide them blades are? They did that for a reason. They pitch them blades and it take right off. I mean, and I guess it's made like that too for different maneuvers and shit. I don't know. I'm just guessing. That's an attack helicopter anyway, so you get one of them what's the other one? Cobra? Yeah. Oh yeah. But that's that. And over on that other little desk, I've been working on this right here. Ratrod. I got that big B12 Lincoln Zephyr engine from the Iceman. I've had it for quite a while. It's got the Ardun heads on it. Make it a Hemi, I guess. You get everything with the stacks and the injectors and the heads and the exhaust here. It comes with everything but a transmission and a belt. I had to find a belt stuff for it. But it's got a Ford I guess it's supposed to simulate like a T10 transmission. It's either a T10 or oh, what's the other one? Ain't the Tremmy. It could be that it's F3 or T10, one or the other out. Because it's manual. It's got a big old floor shifter in there. I didn't think about it till after the fact, but I should have chopped it down some, that roof. Oh well. Hold on a minute, let me I just put a few decals on this morning. Yeah. Tank is kind of a little crooked on that too. It's got New York plates on it. I just put them on there a little while ago. One there and one here on the back. It's up underneath there. Got them big old Desert Dogs wheels on there, tires and wheels come out of that what's that one GMC truck desert dog, deserter, or whatever the hell it is. I stoked 2 of the wheels out of it there, that one there. And these front wheels are the ones that come with that. That's that's one of the 30. I think it's a 3-window 32 Ford. Now I do that box. Oh, that's that 32 Ford 3-window. Which is it's an older kit. I used the chassis. I stretched the chassis or frame, whatever. I had to stretch it out in order to be able to use that big V12. And I made my own 4-link. They go up on it. Now, I Z'd that frame in the back too. Pretty good. And then the inside wheel well covers here, I had to notch them out where that'd sit, the body'd sit down on her better. It's got a big, I think it's a big Dana. Could be a Dana 60 rear end in there. I don't know. It's supposed to simulate one of them Danas. It's sitting on airbags, 4-link. Let me tell where I stretched that frame or not. Right in here, I had probably about an inch or better. Yeah, about an inch, I guess. I think it was. I kept gluing them together, and they didn't want to hold. They used super glue and everything. Didn't want to hold, so I used my magic sculpt. And once that shit dries, boy, it's harder to rock. It takes all overnight for it to dry good. I was going to use, I got like them old hot rod guys. They use them short LaSalle transmissions or what was the other one? The old DeSoto, I think. I know LaSalle was one because it's heavy duty, made for they can handle 500 horse or 500 foot-pounds of torque, or I don't know. They like the LaSalle transmission. I had a couple of short trannies that would have kind of imitated one of those, but I just used a big Ford transmission. Ambition. Oh, we got 13 minutes, and I could sit it down low too, because you know the oil pan got a real shallow oil pan on that big V12. I had master cylinder and stuff right here instead of up underneath. Battery box and stuff over here. I made that tank. It's got Pontiac tail lights. I use hairspray and salt together to do that body. I drilled a lot of little holes here and there. Right in here, right in here, and here, and up and around in here. Some up here. Same over here. Right in here. And right on along the back here. And shot me a coat of primer. I tried to use that Steiner Res, the neutral That stuff was thin. I shook it and shook it and shook it, shook it, shook it. I mean, it's real watery. You'll set your part down and it shit just run off there. So I use the red brown or whatever what it is. It's over there somewhere. But it's the red brown, I think. And that worked good. Then I used, I don't know, a couple of different rust. Some of this stuff here. That, just a little bit of this and that. I've been wanting to do a Ratrod. Well, I've been wanting to use it. Big V12. That's nice. Real nice. I did the, you see how they got the headers that coming off that kind of lower. I raised them up some. And I thought I was going to have to make me a belt and stuff, but I knew I had some belt drive and stuff for some flatheads, and I looked and looked. If I wasn't looking for it, I would have found it right away, but I finally found one that fit that, so, which it was for a V8 Ford. It's got a mag sticking out the front. It's supposed to have 6 wires coming out each side of it. I'm going to try to wire that. Be different. I already had a pre-wired mag that would fit a big D12 flathead. Oh well. These headlights come out of. I used some stuff out of that. That's a 29 roaster. I used a lot of parts out of that, and that 32 3-window I just showed you. Now this radiator and grill was one that come with old Lindbergh old T-bucket thing. I like the way the grill looked on it, and it sit lowered, and the grill for the 32 it just sit up too high for me. I put the braces on here, made them. I made the hoses for that. And it's got an electric fan on it. I don't know, you can't see it inside. I ain't. Oh well, it's got. I can see decals out of one of them old. I think it's either 72nd or 48 scale Mustang. And you guys some decals left over from one of those I built. Nookie Bookie. And this little dude right here. That's about all I put on there other than the plates. That's it. Oh, I forgot that skull and crossbone here on each side. They went with that nookie bookie. Sack of nookie. Alright, that's just something I want to do on the side. So think about doing another one. I got enough stuff to do a few more, but I may do another one. But over here, I'm gonna do. Still don't want them mouses, the E100 or the mouse. It's one of those. I got them from Charlie CPM. And I keep saying it, but I'm gonna get back on that Bearcat over there. I need to get that knocked out. I still got a couple other things to do for that group build. Bearcat's for the Navy. I got Army and Marines, and this will be the Navy. So, and then I got this thing here for the Air Force. And I still had to get something for the Coast Guard. I ain't got nothing for the Coast Guard. Still plenty enough time for that, I guess. I'm gonna get back on. Yep, Cousin Brian. There's my second one for the whirlybird GB. Alright, y'all. I guess that's it. Later.